Hello everybody, Jed Vaughn here with another YouTube video for the Complete Digital Toolbox channel. Today we're talking about membership websites and how you can use membership websites to sell your course or services, launch a product, or any number of other things. So with the membership site, you can set up your course or offer in the membership area or put your products in there and give access to them. And once a prospect registers, they'll gain access to the membership area, and they can also be placed in an email list that you'll use to keep in communication with them with the autoresponder also included in the Builderall platform. And it can all be set up quickly and easily. And I'd be happy to demonstrate all of this to you. All you need to do is click the link below for a 20-minute free consultation with me, and I'll address all your questions and concerns. By the way, you can also get a free website on the platform to explore with, fully hosted. It'd be a subdomain, but it'll be live, and you can check out the platform with that, or you can take the free 14-day trial and experience all the tools that Builderall offers, and there's over 30 of them at your disposal. Then just use the ones that most fit your product, service, business, hobby, or course that you may want to share and teach to people. So begin exploring this amazing platform by using the link in the description below. And be sure to register for that free 20-minute consult I'm offering using the link also provided in the description. So here's my offer. I'm providing a link to this page where you can come and get a free website. And these other plans are on there that are available, but go ahead and get the free website, schedule a 20-minute free consult with me, and I'll walk you through exactly how to accomplish what it is you'd like to do with your online business. So go ahead and use the link below, and I hope to hear from you real soon.